Hi, my name is Louise and this is my first video here, so please be kind and bear with me. I envisioned this channel to be about photography and creativity in general. I live in Nice in the south of France, so I imagine that the area around here will be a main feature of this channel. So for this first video, I will go down to the Promenade here in Nice and make some photos of the white pavilions that you see along the promenade. I recently purchased the new iPhone SE and I really want to try out the camera, so I will bring the iPhone as my main camera today. I will also bring my GoPro to film myself with. So with that being said, let's go. I made it down to the promenade, as you can see, and the promenade was built in the 1800s and is 7 kilometers long. I start off by walking around and having a look, and then I find this slightly older couple who's sitting at the bench, and I snap two photos of them, one which includes the checkered pattern that's on the walkway, and then one where you can see the ocean in the background. I move on and snap a photo of this sign which shows where the beach is supervised and not. I find this group of teenagers and I take a portrait from behind with the ocean as a background. I walk along the promenade and snap some photos of people walking and biking and just going about their day. There is a lot going on during the summer evenings on the promenade, so I make sure to include the kids playing volleyball to show off the various activities that's going on.